Personally, I really like working here because I can fully be myself here, and I think this is a space where people can be themselves, and I think that's really hard to find in this world and really important. People can come into the store and use the space without having to buy anything, which is really great. They can just come and use the microwaves, use the dishes, use the cafe or the lounge, and we have washrooms available for anyone without buying anything. The way it works is the fee levy subsidizes the cost, so we're able to offer all of the goods at a really low price. And it first sort of started up as operating with sort of the same principles as a co-op, like trying to pull together buying power, buying in bulk, and using that as a way to save money for people. And it eventually evolved into a storefront.